Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about GPT-Image-1, which is the latest and most advanced model for image generation. It is available via API in Azure AI Foundry Image Playground. Many companies across various industries are already using image generation into their product and services. GPT Image 1 will further assist them in this journey. GPT Image 1 built upon DALL-E with significant enhancements like thoroughly follow instructions. GPT-Image 1 is outstanding at comprehending and adhering to detailed instructions, leading to very precise and accurate image generation. Text rendering. The model accurately rendered text within images, making it useful for creating educational content and storybooks. Image input acceptance. User now can upload images and provide text prompt to generate new images. GPT-Image 1 support multiple modalities and features like text to image to image, text transformation, and in painting. Text to images generate images from text prompts. Image to images create new images from user uploaded images and text prompts. Text transformation is edit images using text prompts. In painting is edit images with text prompt and user drawn bounding boxes. Various industries can make benefit out of this. For example, education material can be created with the help of this model. We can write storybooks, we can make game assets and make UI design. GPT-Image 1 is new model and feature a number of improvement over previous model Dell E3. It is available in limited access only as of now. I have shared link in description box for requesting of this model. Thank you.